Morning, students. My name is GVR Lakshman Rao, lecturer in mining engineering, Government Polytechnic, Bellampalli. From the last 1 week, under the topic explosives and blasting practice, we are discussing various explosives, especially in explosives used in last 2 to 3 classes, explosives used in open cast mines. Today we are going to discuss LOX explosives or liquid oxygen explosives. After the completion of this topic, you are able to understand what is LOX explosives, how can these explosives are prepared, and what is the principle behind it, like that. Before entering into this topic, in the last class we discussed slurry explosives and emulsion explosives, what is cap sensitive explosive and what is non-cap sensitive explosive. Before entering into this topic, it is very useful to remind what we discussed in the previous class. First and utmost thing is, what is cap sensitive explosive? If the explosive is initiated or exploded by means of detonator, then the explosive is called cap sensitive explosive. If the explosive is detonated by means of a booster, then the explosive will be called as non-cap sensitive explosive. Almost all high explosives are non-cap sensitive, so it requires a booster. Booster is also detonated by a detonator. Booster is a cap sensitive explosive. Okay. Slurry and emulsion explosives. Slurry explosives we discussed in the previous class. This emulsion explosive, the peculiarity of emulsion explosive is both fuel and oxidizer are liquids. No other explosive is having this type of property. It is an intimate mixture of two liquids that do not dissolve in each other. Two-phase system in which an inner or dispersed phase distributed in an outer or continuous phase. The unique feature of emulsion explosives is Both fuel and oxidizer are liquids. The emulsion slurry contain ammonium nitrate at high temperature combined with the diesel oil. Unique properties of emulsions are minute size of nitrate solution droplets, tight compaction within continuous fuel phase. Generally, it can be prepared by this emulsifier passed through the fast moving blender. Blender mixes the ingredients into pump, grease like consistency. Resultant emulsion slurry is made up of microscopic droplets of ammonium nitrate surrounded by fuel oil film. Air bubbles called microspheres. Microspheres make emulsion detonatable. No sterilization, sensitization by aluminum by air bubbles. There is a maximum energy generation because of intimate contact of oxidizer and fuel. So these explosives entirely depends on presence of voids for initiation. Change in amount of void affects the change in density. It is convenient and useful to density to consider voids as density adjusters. Okay, we can change its density by pressing it. Then explosives cannot be gelled or cross-lensed, not have gel structure. Velocity of detonation is abnormal. We cannot say exactly. VOD is good indicator for reaction efficiency. VOD depends upon particle size. It varies from. Okay, this is about the emulsion explosives. The one of the most important explosive which is used in coal mines. It will not be used in underground coal mines, in only open cast coal mines. Most of the times it is used in removal of overburden, especially in quarries and metal mines. The use of liquid oxygen explosive or LO explosive is prohibited in underground coal mines. In India, it is marketed by Indian Oxygen Limited in cartridges of 2 types. Before entering into this topic, how the LOX explosive works. Okay, how the LOX explosive works. As all of you know, the matter is having 3 states. Every matter is having 3 states. One is solid, another one is if the temperature increases, it will become liquid. If the further increasing of temperature takes place, then it will become gaseous. If the temperature increases further, the gas will get the dynamism due to the pressure created. There is a possibility of reversal of this, what I said now. If a gas is cooled, it will become a liquid. If it is further cooled, it will become a solid. Here, oxygen is most abundant element on earth. It is very much necessary for living organisms to live. If it is not available for a period of 3 to 5 minutes, almost every human being will be die. 19% of oxygen is very much necessary in the inhalation air. Here, the principle behind the liquid oxygen explosive is in normal state, the oxygen in the form of gas, what we are inhaling every second. If the oxygen is separated and the temperature decreased up to minus 183 degrees centigrade, then the oxygen will convert into liquid. The liquefied temperature of oxygen is minus 183 degrees centigrade. At this it is in the form of liquid at minus 183 degrees centigrade. In normal atmosphere, 1 liter, if you take 1 liter of oxygen, and if it is 1 liter of liquefied oxygen, and if it is converted into gases at ordinary temperature or NTP, normal temperature and pressure, its volume increases to 840 times. It has as much oxygen as would be available from 4000 times its volume of atmosphere. This is the principle behind the manufacturing of LOX explosive. Are you catching my point? Every day we are remembering that by definition itself, explosive means it is a solid, liquid, or both. Whenever heat, shock, flame is applied to it, themselves converts into instantaneously into huge volume of gases. If any material is having these properties, then we can use it is as an explosion. Here at minus 183 degrees centigrade, oxygen will be in the form of liquid. If 1 liter of oxygen, liquefied oxygen, is converted into gases, it's at normal temperature and pressure, it equivalent to 840 times, or in terms of volume it is 4000 times. I would like to say one example. If 1 liter of liquefied oxygen is converted into gases in NTP, 840 times 8, it will be, it occupies the space of 840 times. So for normal temperature and pressure, at the normal temperature and pressure, 1 liter of oxygen if converts into gases, 840 liters box is required. This is the principle behind the manufacturing of liquid oxygen explosives. Simply we call it as LOX explosives. LOX explosives. If a combustible ingredient made in the form of cartridges is soaked in liquid oxygen and then subjected to reaction of combustion, the reaction takes place with such a huge speed that large volume of gas is instantaneously released at a high temperature. So it is the cause of explosion. The velocity of detonation for LOX explosives is nearly or more than 5000 meters per second. So 5000 meters per second VOD means 5 kilometers length of explosive will burn in 1 second. If the VOD is more, the effect or shattering effect of this explosive is more. Within the short span of, we learn in the physics that impulse, if a force is applied in the short span or in the shorter interval of time, its effect is more. Like that, because of its VOD is more, its effect is, shattering effect is more. These are the principles behind the explosives. This is mainly used for removal of overburden in mines, open cast mines. This is LOX explosive is prohibited to use in underground mines. And in India, LOX explosive is marketed by Indian Oxygen Limited in two types of cartridges. One is small cartridges, another one is large cartridges. The diameter of small cartridge varies from 25 to 90 mm in dia and 150, 300, 600 mm in length. In case of large cartridges, these are 190 mm dia and 600 mm in up to it varies from time to time. Large cartridges dia in some books it is more than 100 mm up to 210 mm. Here there are two types of cartridges in small and large cartridges, but there is a standard cartridge in each segment, that is large and small cartridges. A standard size in small cartridge type is 38 mm dia and 300 mm long. In standard cartridge of long cartridges types, also called full cartridge, its dia is 190 mm and length is 600 mm. Generally, dealers are supplied these cartridges the full length cartridge is equivalent to 18 kgs of conventional explosives. Generally, the suppliers of LOX explosives, they will provide or they will place or they will construct a depot to supply these cartridges to the nearby areas in a center place, nearly 300 kilometers surrounding. They will make the LOX explosives and prepare the LOX explosives prior to the need before 1 to 1.5 hour, about half an hour to 2 hours. In so many areas, in mining areas, LOX explosives suppliers are constructed various depots. I would like to hear this figure is not appropriate. I would like to show another figure how the construction of LOX explosive takes place. This is the LOX explosive photo. Here this is a cloth bag or outer wrapper. Here a plain paper is used. A corrugated pipe is used, and in it is truncated. You are looking a truncated cartridge or half cut cartridge of LOX explosive. This is a corrugated pipe is used. A Loctite or nothing but liquid oxygen is filled in this pipe, and it will be wrapped by a corrugated plain paper and a cloth bag. The diameter and length of are varies depending upon the requirement of consumer. These cartridges are prepared at the depots by soaking an absorbent cartridge in liquid oxygen. Generally, the basic constants of explosives are a fuel, an oxidizer, a cooling agent, a stabilizer, a sensitizer. Here, the basic ingredients of an absorbent cartridge is cellulose substance like crushed jute, stalk, or other agriculture product through other substances such as hydrocarbons or metallic powders. These are either jute or any cellulose compounds are used as a fuel. In this, the liquid oxygen or Loctite will be filled. This Loctite will it will work as oxidizer. A fuel and oxidizer will be there. The absorbent cartridge used in coal contains a special composition called Loctite C. For using in coal mines, a Loctite C is incorporated with a view to reduce the temperature of the gaseous products after the blasting, and such cartridges for use in coal are called LOXC. Generally, LOX explosives are not used in coal mines, underground coal mines. Mostly it is used to extract the overburden. In case of quarrying and open cast mines, if it is used in coal mines, in coal extraction of coal bed, an ingredient LOXC or Loctite C is used. LOXC is used. Its peculiarity is it absorbs or it reduces the temperature of blasted gases. Explosion is a violent action. in the short span of time it explodes due to the burning of fuel and rearrangement of solid atoms into gas state. It produces high temperature. Produces high temperature. If it is having high temperature, if it is having high temperature, okay, it is a violent reaction. Whenever LOX explosive converts into gaseous or blasting of LOX explosive takes place, lot of amount of temperature rising. This raised temperature, there is a possibility of catching the fire, whatever the gas surrounded by the explosion. To avoid this, a special composition called Leucite C is used in preparation of LOX explosion. These absorbent cartridge consists of ingredients wrapped in paper and covered by cloth. 1 minute. Okay. This is first, the corrugated pipe will be filled with the liquid oxygen. Then the paper will be wrapped. At the end, a cloth bag is also wrapped. Generally, okay, these cartridges are inflammable. Flow of glorious oxygen emanating from cartridge will cause smoldering material. Glows coal and cigarette stubs to burst in the flames. LOX kept away from burning or smoldering material. Okay. Generally, the suppliers will construct a depot nearby the places of 2 or 3 places in the center point around 300 kilometers space, 300 kilometers distance. Special containers, these LOX will be supplied during transportation. During these, the characteristics of LOX explosive varies from with respect to time. After preparation and usage, if the time elapses is more, the characteristic characteristics of LOX explosive deteriorates, especially weight strength. As all of you know, what is weight strength? It is the amount of useful energy arrived from the blasting of an explosion. If time elapses, this liquefied gas, liquefied oxygen, the absorbent cartridge soaked in the oxygen, liquefied oxygen, if it is exposed to the air, what happens is evaporation of a explosion takes place. Okay. If it evaporates, the amount of liquid oxygen present in the cartridge will be decreased. Thereby, it will not give sufficient, it will not produce or it will not convert the liquefied oxygen, complete oxygen, into gases. So that's why the characteristics of LOX explosive is not constant, especially the time lapse between the manufacturing of LOX explosive and usage will play a major or important role. So these are almost high explosives are fired by means of these are non-cap sensitive explosives, high explosives, especially though these are fired by or exploded by a booster. It has another peculiarity. Generally, for exploding high explosives, a booster is required. A booster will be exploded by a detonator. Whereas in LOX explosive, a booster is not required. The another peculiarity of LOX explosive is for detonation, detonator is also needed. A booster is not needed, a detonator is not needed. Okay. Only safety fuse like low explosives is enough to blast the LOX explosives. Generally, the preparation will be like this. LOX cartridge is ready for blasting is prepared at the depot by soaking an absorbent cartridge in liquid oxygen. The basic ingredients of an absorbent cartridge is cellulose substance like crushed jute, stalk or other agriculture product. Through other substances such as hydrocarbon, metallic powders are used to impart to the soaked cartridge and properties of industrial explosive. The absorbent cartridge for the use in coal contains a special composition called the cartridge is prepared at the mine depot before 2 to 3 hours blasting. The life of cartridge is 1 hour if kept at room temperature. The LOX is supplied by specially designed containers at truck trains. The LOX cartridges are fired by safety fuse without the use of detonators. Holes deeper than 3 meters are fired by detonating fuse. Generally, detonating fuse is used to complete the explosion. In watery holes also LOX explosives are used. For these purposes, In watery holes, if the jute absorbent cartridge is sent into the watery holes, what's happened is, because most of the times it is jute, this jute will absorb enormous amount of water. In ordinary temperatures, if it is kept on the bench, its lifespan is 1 hour only at room temperature. In this 1 hour, the entire LOX will vaporize. Entire LOX will vaporize. These are also the cartridges which are used in watery holes are also called as H-type cartridges. This is about the LOX explosive. I would like to recap what we discussed today about the LOX explosive is, it is one of the open cast explosives. It is one of the open cast explosives. It is used for removal of overburden. It is not permitted to use in underground coal mines. In open cast coal mines, we can use it. The principle behind the LOX explosive is, if it converts, generally the LOX oxygen liquefies at minus 183 degrees centigrade. In normal temperature, oxygen is available in the form of gas. So, if this liquefied oxygen is converted into, gases, its volume at NTP is 840 times more than in the liquid form. This is the principle behind the LOX explosives. In India, LOX explosives are marketed by Indian Oxygen Limited in cartridges. There are two types of cartridges are there, small and large cartridge. Depending upon the size, these are called as small and large cartridges. Generally, the ingredients are cellulose compounds, either stalk or jute, whatever it may be. A absorbent cartridge is soaked in oxygen, a liquefied oxygen. This cartridge will be used for blasting purposes. If it is blasted, it converts the liquefied oxygen converts into gases, huge volume of gases instantaneously. This is the principle behind the LOX explosives. The peculiarity of LOX explosive is no need to blast LOX explosive, no need of booster as well as detonator. A safety fuse is enough. A safety fuse is enough. This is the summary liquid oxygen and its properties. Generally, the questions asked like explain the principle and preparation of liquid oxygen explosive, specify the standard sizes. Generally, in competitive exams, the liquid oxygen explosives are fired by plain electric detonator, electric delay detonator, safety fuse, half second delay detonator. Safety fuse is enough. Okay, thank you.